Can loud noises actually make you deaf instantly? 1 second, you hear everything. The next, complete silence. Can a single loud noise actually make you deaf instantly? Yes! If a sound is over 150 decibels, it can rupture your eardrum instantly. That's louder than a gunshot, jet engine, or explosion. Some people went permanently deaf from standing too close to fireworks or even wearing loud headphones for too long. The worst part? Hearing loss from loud noises is permanent. Your ear hairs don't grow back. So, if your music is loud enough to shake the room, you might be shaking your hearing goodbye too. Turn it down while you still can. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.